Hello guys, and welcome to this video section. And in this video I'm going to be showing you guys around your MailPanda dashboard. I'm going to be showing you around the dashboard and help you get used to the system and everything that you need to know that appears to be complicated on your dashboard. I'm going to explain everything to you so that you get familiar with everything. Okay, so let's get started guys. Okay, right now I'm going to log into my MailPanda account. I've entered my username and my password, and I'll click on the login button down there. Okay. Alright, so this is my MailPanda dashboard, and this is like a tour guide of the system. Okay, if you have been through this, you can just click on the end tour, or you can just click on the close for now button so that you can get through it later. Okay, so right here you can see on my dashboard I have like a table that shows me that I have created just one campaign. I have just one list on my account. I have 12 subscribers and I have created 0 templates. Okay, so this is like a rundown of the system. Alright, so if you scroll down, you get to see that I have a recent activity dashboard. Okay, this shows you a list of the activities that you carried out lately, like the latest activity you carried out on your dashboard. Everything is given you here so that you know where you stopped and where you need to get started from. Okay, this is like a reminder or whatsoever, but it just helps you get started. Okay, so right here on the right hand side you can see that we have the search option, which is right here. We have the message icon that shows you if you have any messages that you need to go through, and we have the option that looks like a hosting or a computing, whatever you can call it there. I know you know what I'm talking about. Okay, so it gives you a rundown of basically the main activities, like the gives you a rundown of your system. It shows you the quota usage, shows you the amount of lists you have on your account, shows you the amount of campaign, the amount of subscribers, the delivery servers, the bounce servers, and the feedback servers. Okay, so this gives you a rundown of all these, a quick rundown of all these. Okay, so we have, that's my name right there. If you want to log out, you can do that from here easily, or you can access your account to make some changes. Okay, so let's get to the menu option. This is the menu bar right here. This is like the main skeleton of the whole system. This is everything you need to make the most of MailPanda. Okay, so this is your navigation bar. Okay, we have the first option, which is the dashboard, which is right here, and we have the second option, which is the list. All right, this list is this is a section where you can import your list, where you can view your list, where you can export your list, where you can view your blacklisted list, email subscribers, and the rest of them. Okay, so this gives you everything you need to do that has to do with your list directly. Okay, if you need to add in your subscribers individually, you can do that through this place. If you need to add them in by importing your list, you can do them through this place. I will get into that, to the details of how you can import your list and all that later. Okay, so the third option there is your campaign. Okay, so this gives you a channel to send campaigns to your subscribers or your list. Okay, you can send a regular campaign, which is an email that you write and you send out immediately, or you can use the autoresponder, where you can write an email and schedule it to be sent later. Okay, you can do that through the autoresponder option. You can view the groups of your email, of your subscribers, sorry. You can view them in groups. Whichever way you chose to align them or arrange them, you can view their groups right here, the groups of your subscribers. Okay, you can view the stats of your campaigns, how well it is doing, how bad it is doing, your unsubscription rates, and the rest of them. You can view them from the stats. It's more like an analytics of everything that is going on with your email and with your subscribers. Okay, we have the geo openings, gives you the open rates and the location, who opened your email address, and the rest of them. You can view your custom tags. Okay, which is also a segmentation option as well. I will get into that in details later. Okay, so The next option we have there is the email templates. Okay, so this is like when you intend to write a campaign, you want to write an email, you get to use a template to write your emails. You can access those templates here. Okay, you can access the gallery here, you can access the category here. I will show you how you can use the templates when we go into creating campaigns. Okay, we have the servers. Okay, this is where you add in your SMTP server. Okay, where you activate your SMTP server and the rest of them. Okay, so this is a technical part of your email marketing. Okay, I will go into the SMTP activation later. Okay, so we have the domains. All right, so you can activate your sending domain. You can add your domain, your sending domains. Okay, which is very, very advisable. Okay, I will get into that later as well. Your sending domain and your tracking domain, you can activate those through these options. Okay, so we have the API keys. Okay, if you need to create your API keys, sorry, I think I clicked that. If you need to create your API keys, this is where you do it from. Okay, as you can see, I just clicked this option and you can see I have created a couple of API keys. There are some of them here. You can also create a new one if you want to by clicking on this option right here to create an API key. Okay, so you can also do a survey on your account by clicking on the surveys option to have a survey of how your email marketing business is going so far. You can have a survey of everything that is going on by clicking on this option right here. You can access the training videos by clicking on the training option right here. Okay, you can access your bonuses by clicking on this option, and you can also contact support by clicking on the support option right there. Okay, so this is like a rundown of everything that is on your MailPanda account. Okay, so rest assured, I'm going to jump into details and tell you exactly how you can activate your SMTP, how you can create your campaigns, how you can mail out, how you can use different features on MailPanda, different amazing features on MailPanda. And I believe this video have been helpful. If you have any question or you need more clarifications with something, don't hesitate to click on the support button right here, and someone will be there to attend to you immediately. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a great day.